If you need to lock your DoorDash card quickly for security reasons, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is protected. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner. From the menu, select Account with Settings to access your account options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the account settings, look for the Payment or Payment Methods option. This section contains all your saved payment information, including your DoorDash card. Step 4. Lock your card. Find the option to manage your card settings. There should be a feature to lock or disable your card. Tap on this option to immediately lock your card, preventing any further transactions. Step 5. Confirm the action. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to lock the card. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process. You should receive a notification confirming that your card is now locked. By following these steps, you can quickly secure your DoorDash card in case of loss or theft. Always remember to monitor your account for any unauthorized activity.